was in here doing my makeup, and I got a notification that my package was here. And I was so excited. Caroline, I think it is, hair. I should know the name. But if I sound stuffy, it's because it's a whole bunch of pollen and my allergies are up. I got off at AliExpress. I got a 16 frontal, 18, 20, 22 bundles. There's 3 bundles. And I got them in the color 6, 13. Here's the frontal. Look at her. Okay, look at this. I don't want to put no lotion on my hands because I didn't want my hands to feel soft. And this, I wanted to feel the true texture of the hair. It's a free part frontal. Here it is. Doesn't smell too bad. 16. It's a 4x13 frontal. They said they already bleached the nuts. Don't look like it. But I could just add some color to it. But they said they already bleached the nuts, so don't bleach them again. I'm always gonna have shedding. I don't want no shedding. Okay. So I'm running my fingers through. Got one piece of hair, but this is a frontal, so another piece. And I do have on nails. Were they dirty? Got makeup underneath them. I got makeup underneath my nails. No, it's not too shedding. No. I only got 2 pieces. Look at that. Look how big that is. Look, from top to bottom, or from top all the way to the bottom, it is full. She full. She full. Look at that. Okay, I'm running my hands through. I'm not seeing any. Okay, there's one little piece. Hold on. I don't really have any sound. It just smells like hair. It smells like hair. She is. I have hair that was thick up here and came all the way down here and it was super thin. So this is like, let me see. Not seeing that. Nope. No. This is a 20. So, small. I'm about to have some inches. Oh, they all come in this. Okay. Look at her. Look at her. Look how shiny that is. Look, my hand. My fingers through. Oh. Okay. Why is this one so soft? This one is super soft. Okay, run my fingers through it. Shake a little bit. No shake whatsoever. All smell the same. This one's a 22. Let me show. And 5'6". So right here. Right here. Look at that. I am going to dye the hair. One side blue, one side purple. So all 3 of them. To get away from your parents, you look so proud. Standing there with a fountain, a cigarette, posting pictures of yourself on the internet, out on the terrace.